What is up, everyone? Welcome back to Eddie's Garage. And yes, you read the title right. We have stolen my buddy's 6.6 2021 again. I'm telling you, I think I definitely put more miles on this than he does, but he'll get over it. He's actually in the military, guys, right now, and he's coming back in a couple weeks, so we want to make sure the truck's polished up, and yeah, we're doing some performance upgrades for him as well, so it's going to be fun. I'm excited. So, here's where it stands right now. Looking good. I don't know if you guys remember, if you're new to the channel, obviously make sure that you like and subscribe to Eddie's Garage. And you'll be able to see this thing from when we picked it up off the dealership lot to the change in regards to a 2.5-inch keys on the front, 2-inch block on the rear, 37s on AT4 20-inch wheels. Looks good, just a clean looking truck, nothing crazy compared to old 6.0 over there. A little bit of window tint on there, and just looks good. So, let's jockey around Wifey's Jeep here, get the thing pulled up, and start on the performance mods. Alright, so we're going to use Wifey's top off the Jeep as a good setup for this stealth module here. So truly what it is, guys, is just the stealth module itself. The cool thing about this, it does not plug into the computer at all. So you're not voiding any kind of warranties or anything like that. Plugs into the harness right up top. Comes with everything you need. So it's the harness to plug into play, the module itself, and then obviously the controller that we will try and figure out where to run. We're probably going to run it all the way up into the cab on this thing. That way it's nice and clean. No one notices it. But obviously gives the mile per gallon, the torque, and the horsepower that we're looking for. So let's go ahead and pop the hood on this beast and get her started. Alright guys, so all we're really doing is looking for the map sensor and the fuel rep pressure sensor, which are right next to each other on this thing. This kit makes it nice and easy. So just pull the gray tab out.
One eternity later.
Okay, so that's essentially it. Just those two plugs, and then we'll just route everything over to the side. This is all it is, guys. Just this little box. Nice and easy. The programmer is right here, the knob, I would say. It has 3 different settings. It has low, medium, high. Low for towing, medium for a couple different things, and obviously the high is max horsepower, max performance. Usually when you're on the interstate cruising, you can run this all the way in front of the cab. We're just going to put it in here for now and kind of see how it works. And then obviously when we take this back to the owner, we'll decide where we're going to mount this inside the cab. But keep it away from anything hot inside of the motor itself. So the cool thing about these 2021s is there's so much space on the inside of this thing. Slap it in there, let it sit for now. Easy to get to, obviously to tune it from this. So we'll go ahead and finish this up and test her out. Alright, so we got this thing plumbed up in here. And again, really simple. 2 sensors, the fuel rail pressure and the map sensor right there. Plugs them in, gives you the whole harness and everything. Tucked it in nice and neat. Again, guys, until the owner gets back and decides where he wants this inside the cab, we're just going to hold it here for now. No heat inside of here, so it'll be just fine. Went ahead and mounted the module right here, nice and clean, tucked away. And that's it. So we are going to put it on the first click over, which is a low tune. And me and the brother here are gonna go test her out. So, let's put some dirt on this thing. All right, so turn it on, nice and easy, no check engine lights. That's always a good sign that we did something. Well, we didn't screw anything up yet. So, that's it. We'll let Raymundo take her out of here and see if we got any change. So again, we just started on the first click, and we'll see what it does. So this, guys, is really, level 1 is just for towing, low torque situations and stuff like that. Probably won't notice too much of a difference, but let's see if we do. You know, for what they are, they're the AMP tires, 37, 12, 15, 20s. Not a bad ride for what they are. They are an economy, budget-friendly tire, if you will. They ride good. They're pretty balanced and everything today, so it really rides like a truck. On the main road, they actually give us some gas. So get on it this time and see what we got. Definitely notice a little bit of change in this one from what it was. Ray didn't get to drive it before, but it was no pig, but it was definitely, it needed some help, so this definitely helped it out. We're gonna pull over real quick, put it on level 2 and see if that's what that does for us now. Boys and girls, I'm gonna tune it up to step 2 and see what she does now. Different? Yeah. Just go through and we'll run another straightaway. Oh yeah. Definitely a difference. You can definitely feel it.
Gears 2 and 3, you can really feel a change.
Pulling through? Yeah. Awesome. Guys, again, not voiding any warranties, best bang for the buck. Stealth really hit it on the hit the nail on the head with this one, so nice change. Now we're gonna try one more. We're gonna pull over and we're gonna go to level 3 and see what it does for us. Just pulling this guy's driveway.
It's new. Let's try it out.
Perfect. All right, level 3. Here it comes. Look at this guy. He leaves for a little bit. There's cobwebs all over this truck. We're gonna have to bathe this damn thing. All right, level 3. If we blow it up, Ray, you're calling him. All right, guys, here we go. Oh yeah. How's that feel?
Nice.
A lot more better?
Yeah. Oh, better.
All right, guys, we're liking it so far. We're gonna enjoy this for a little while longer before we give it back to him. Just make sure, you know, it's working right. Things are going well. So this is part 1. Part 2 will be coming. We've got a couple more things to add to this thing before we give it back, make it nice and pretty for him. Again, guys, he's in the military, he's been gone for a while. A little bit of tire squeal, don't worry about that. So we'll finish this up and take her home. Alright guys, that's going to do it for us on this episode. We're happy with the result of it. Budget friendly, avoiding warranties. The other thing we're going to do is we're not going to tell him where we put the controller, and we're going to leave it off and make him think that we didn't do anything to it. So other than that, guys, again, like and subscribe. Make sure to tell all your friends, parents, moms, anybody, everybody. Tell them all. The bigger we get, the bigger the projects get. So we're signing out. See ya!